What's up, guys? Good morning. I really want to quickly show you guys how to um minimize the possibility of losing your money. It's doing Shalai by giving you some tips, okay? Because like we all know, we discuss about not being greedy, all right? And it's very difficult to do. As me, my very self, I due to greediness, I still lost some money today after making so much profit. Because of greediness, I lost money because the coin has definitely given me money twice. I made 100%. I bought the dip again. I made another 100%. Then I used all the money. Wanted to enter the top time to make 100%, and the dip what went deeper. So, number one tips is what? See, avoid like whenever you make money with Shalaye, all right. When maybe you put $200 and you made $400, all right. Even if you want to buy the dip, okay, never should you use all your money, all the $400 you used in buying it. Never should you use it to buy that dip again. In fact, as a matter of fact, not only that, only use 50. Even if you want to go enter the dip again, only use 50% of the profit you make. Let's say you put $200 and you made about $400 in return. All right. If you want to enter any dip, you want to enter that same coin, the dip. Maybe you want to buy the dip to go up. Don't put more than $100. That is 50% of the profit you make. That's what you should put. So that even if you lose that 50% during that dip, you will know that okay, I still made 50% profit from this money. All right. You will know that okay, fine. I did not entirely miss out. Okay. At least I still have 50%. In fact, even if the coin dip, all the 100%, the 50% of the profit you put in is not all of them that will dip. At least maybe if you put about $100, it might not dip entirely. Maybe you might just lose like about $50 from the $100, which is still good. You will still have $50 to pull out, which means you did not actually make 50% profit. That means you still make about maybe like 60% or 65% profit or 70% profit, all right, or about 75% profit. But never should you put your entire money back or the entire profit back to buy that same dip. And one thing I want to tell you again is this: whenever you want to buy any coin, okay, for whenever you want to buy any coin, please don't, when you see that the holders are above $1,000, in fact above 800 members, all right, or yes, 800 members or even 1,000 members, don't join again. Forget about, even if everything here is showing seconds. Don't join. Or if you come back here, you see the chart. If they are above maybe 800 or $1,000, 800 holders, please don't join. You are likely not to make 100% of your money anymore. Don't join, because there will soon be a divide. Because those that joined before you at 400 and 200 holders, 300 holders, 400 holders, they will start dumping because they've made profit. That is the truth. They've made profit. Now, whenever you spot a good Shalaye and you join, if the Shalaye is at the top, the green has gone up, please don't just quickly buy. No, always, even after you've checked everything, maybe you've checked that okay, people are putting big money, they're putting big money, and everything is all green. Don't just jump because it's green. Always remember one thing, that there is always more coin to invest in that you make your money if you follow that same process I taught in the previous video. So it's better you wait, because this green, why it's up like this, it's better you wait so that a red will show that will pull it down. Then whenever it pulls down, all right, then you cannot enter, because when it pulls down, it will definitely go up again. I'm talking about if you just spot a good Shalaye coin, maybe when you spot it, they are still under maybe 200 holders or 400 holders or 500 holders or 350 holders, and that's what I'm talking about. So don't just join, because when this coin and this IP, when you guys first saw it, let me just show you my trust wallet. When I saw it, I did not. I wanted to enter, so my friend already entered, but I couldn't enter anymore because I was looking for a dip. All right, so I couldn't find it because the coin keep going up. So I did not even bother myself, because my friend, I just decided to leave my friend alone, so that because he has already joined before me, so it's better that way. All right, because the thing went up. Okay, I wanted to quickly join when the thing came down here before. The thing once came down here. I wanted to join, all right, but at this point I wanted to join when the thing came down, but when I tried to buy, my order canceled because the thing went up, so I couldn't join anymore. So it's better you still have your money in your wallet to invest in other coin than FOMO, fear of missing out, and you go and buy the top. It will come down. You can see that it come down here. You can see that it come down. I would have entered at this spot, this at the tail of this thing here, but it's because I'm just doing this video for you guys. That's why I couldn't join. If I join here now, by the time this thing goes up back here, I would have made some amount of profit. I would have made about 50% profit, sharp, like 50%, sharp. Because when it comes down and I buy, it will definitely plump up again. So whenever you spot any good Shalaye coin, please, when the green is high, don't join. Let it pull down very well. If it pulls down, it will definitely go up. You can see that it pulls down from here. Imagine someone that bought at this place, and this thing is already here. By the time this thing shows green back at this top, from here to this place is about 50%. Oh. From this route that it came to this spot, it's about 50%. From this place to here is 50. It's about 50%. So, and someone that quickly bought here, that waited, that bought here, that bought at this spot, if the thing rises to this spot, that has made about 50 to 60%. Or somebody that went to go and buy at this spot, then the thing came down here, he's still losing his money. So whenever you spot a good Shalaye coin, don't just jump in. Look for an entry point, a good entry point, a dip, at least. That I mean Shalaye coin that still have few holders, so don't just rush and join at the green. No, people will definitely dump that came before you. Let them dump. Then you cannot enter because the thing will now go back again. There will be a retracement. If something's at the top, there will be a retracement. Don't just join it. Alright, don't just join because the thing affected me, so I have to learn the hard way. Don't see green, no, it's green, no. And again, to make your job easier, if you have two phones, it's better. Alright, so just use one phone, alright, to be doing the research. Make sure you have like WhatsApp on the two phones, definitely. Then use the two phones to be doing the chat. Use one that you are not using for anything to check Bitcoin. Then use the other one to be trading. Why is that? The reason is when you have one phone that you are using to monitor this chart, all right, instead of jumping into entry point, you will put it down. You'll be using it to monitor it. Why the second phone? You will use it to be at the page of what are they calling it? At the page of PancakeSwap, all right, but at the page of PancakeSwap, so that when this thing just come down here immediately, you know, if you have another phone that you are already at the page of PancakeSwap, when this thing comes down immediately, you can quickly buy, all right. But if it is just one phone you have, you will need to be clicking on trade one before the thing load. The thing might have gone up again. But if you have one phone aside and you use one phone that is already on PancakeSwap page and one phone that is monitoring this chart, then you'll be able to quickly buy. Then after you bought it, after you bought it, what you just have to do again is you will use that same phone to be monitoring the chart. Then that's one. You'll be using the second one. But I'm going to use the second one to go to the Pancake page again to go and quickly sell and put it there. So that when you see that the thing is going up, you just come here like this. Like let's say the thing is now going up, you know, and let's say you want to sell what are they calling it? Now let's say you want to sell this coin. Let's say when you bought it, you bought about 1500000. Let's say that is what you have. All right, let's say that is what you have, like this. Now, and the other phone that you're using to monitor the chart, the thing keep going on. You know, as you put this thing here, the price will keep on showing whether it has increased here or is decreasing. Okay, you make sure you set your slippage to maybe like 11 so that you'll be able to sell on time. All right, then you will click on swap here because swap will show you. Click on swap so that you'll be on the page that will tell you to confirm the swap, not the approved page, but leave it at that page. Any update that is going on, if the price here changes, it will tell you to update it there. Click on update. You will be using your second phone to monitor. Once you see that your money has doubled on this Pancake page, you quickly sell straight so that instead of waiting for you to start clicking to come to this page and load, the other phone will help you a lot to monitor chart. Or if it's a system you have, laptop you have, it makes more sense. If you're on laptop, you can use what are they calling it? This thing on laptop, MetaMask. You know, the laptop is very, very fast with MetaMask. You can open two tabs. One tab to be monitoring the chart, the other tab to be monitoring the distance. So me now, I want to switch to laptop. I'm using it to trade. It makes your job faster. It makes it faster. So that is just it, guys. So that is how to do. If you don't have two phones, you can use laptop and trade on laptop. So the next tutorial I will do, I will show you guys how to set up everything on laptop so that you can use laptop to trade. All right. Thanks for watching.